All right, guys, today we're just going to go over a quick video. Get a lot of questions on these fuel lines for the 11 to 16 Fords. So we're just going to do a quick tip video on how to get these off without breaking them. So these guys right here are just a regular pressure clip style fuel line connector, just a quick connect. The way that we remove these quickly, you pull out on this tab, push in on this, push down, pull off. That's simple. Pull out, push in, push down, pull out. Really that simple. Going back on, we push on, we lock. Same thing, push down, lock. Both lines are locked on there. All right, guys, we're just gonna show you real quick the inner workings of these quick connect fuel line connectors. Basically, as you can see here, I push on that, the whole inside of that moves. That's basically the first locking mechanism, and then this is the final protective locking mechanism. You saw that come down. So basically that would work like that. You pull it out, you push this down, it would come off of the nipple. This is the other side of the sending unit down here where it would be connected. Basically the way that works, as you can see, all the way in, and we lock. And now you've got your locking ring around there. Everything is locked in there and sealed. One other thing I want to mention, inside of here, there's O-rings. Make sure that there's no dirt, debris, anything like that. That'll cause this fuel line to leak. Other than that, really simple, quick, easy connector to use as long as you know how to use it.